Hello viewers, today I am starting a discussion on arithmetic progression. In the previous video I have discussed what is progression. There are three types of progression: arithmetic progression, geometric progression and harmonic progression. Today I am starting with arithmetic progression. What is arithmetic progression? An arithmetic progression is a sequence in which the difference between any term and its just preceding term is constant throughout. This constant term is called common difference and is generally represented by D. And the first term is generally represented by A. There are two or three formulae which you need to remember, which is the nth term of an AP, that is Tn. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. If you need the proof, if you comment me the formula, I will give you the proof. And the sum of terms up to n is given by n by 2 to A plus n minus 1 into D. These two formulae will be used throughout each and every question you come across AP. Now I will give you some properties which you need to know to solve a few questions. These are the properties. First property says, if Sn, Tn and D are sum of n terms, nth term and common difference of an AP respectively, then D is equal to Tn minus 1. Tn is equal to Sn minus 1. D is equal to Sn minus 2 Sn minus 1 plus Sn minus 2. Second property says, a sequence is an AP if and only if the sum of its n terms is of the form an square plus bn, where a and b are constants independent of n. If Sn is equal to, third property says, if Sn is equal to an square plus bn plus c, where Sn denotes the sum of n terms of a series, then whole series is not an AP. It is AP from the second term onwards. If A1, A2, A3 are in AP with common difference D, then A1 plus A minus K, A2 plus minus K, A3 plus minus K are also in AP with common difference D plus minus K. I have not written D plus minus K, it will be D plus minus K. This is the thing, it will be D plus minus K. It is the fourth property. And the fifth property says, if A1, A2, A3 are in AP with common difference D, then A1, K1, A2, K2, here is A1K, A2K, A3K, dot and A1 by K, A2 by K, A3 by K, dot are in AP with common difference KD and D by K respectively. The sixth property says, if A1, A2, A3 and B1, B2, B3 are two APs with common difference D1 and D2 respectively, then A1 plus minus B, A2 plus minus B, A3 plus minus B3 are also in AP with common difference D1 plus minus D2. I think I have said this B and B both, but it will be B1 and B2. Sorry. There are two more properties, which is the seventh property says, if A1, A2, A3 and B1, B2, B3 are two APs with common difference D1 and D2 respectively, then A1 B1, A2 B2, A3 B3 and A1 by B1, A2 by B2, A3 by B3 are not in AP. The eighth property says, if A1, A2, A3, an are in AP, then AR is equal to AR minus K plus AR plus K by 2 for all. The symbol of A upside down, it seems to be upside down, it represents for all. That is for all K which is between 0 to n minus r. These are the 8 properties. Now I will start with the questions. I have 4 questions for these AP section, which you must solve by pausing the video and comment me how many of them you have done correctly. And if you want proof of any of the 8 properties, comment me the property, and I will try to give you the proof of them in comment section. Let's start with the questions. This is the first question for you all. It says, if nth term of a series is 25 plus 29 plus 33 plus 37 plus ... and 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 9 plus 13 plus ... are equal, then n equals option A 11, option B 12, option C 13, option D 14. Try to solve the question by pausing the video, and after you have solved, match with my answer for verification. I will wait a few seconds, then I will start the solution. I am starting with the solution now. What is the nth term of the first series? It's a very easy AP. It is the nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D, as discussed earlier. Here D is the difference between each terms, which becomes to be 4, and A is the first term 25. It comes 25 plus n minus 1 into 4 is equal to 25 plus 4n minus 4 is equal to 21 plus 4n. This is the nth term of the first series. Now the next series. The next series is not in AP. It is, first there is a difference of 1, then it is 2, then it is 3, then it is 4, and it goes on. AP is a series with same common difference. Hence this is not an AP. But then how to find the nth term? It's easy. We have to write 3, 4, 6, 9, 13, and below we have to write again 3, 4, 6, 13, and it will go up to n. Here it will be n, and it will be n minus 1th term. Sorry, here will be 9. Then we have to, this is the series, let it be S, and again a series, it will be S, add it, keep a plus sign between them. And we have to subtract the series. It comes to be equals to 0 is equal to 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus ... last it will be minus n. Then we will write 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus ... is equals to n. This is the, and it will be n minus 1. It will be n minus 1. Now I will write this to, this is the thing we need to find. It is 1 plus n minus 1. It is the sum of natural numbers up to n minus 1. We know the sum of natural numbers up to limit is n into n plus 1 by 2. But here it is n minus 1. Hence I will write 3 plus n minus 1 plus n minus 1 plus 1 by 2, which comes to be n. This is equals, and it is 3 plus n minus 1 into n by 2, which is equals to 6 plus n square minus n by 2. This is the nth term of the second series, this is the nth term of the first series. As these are equal, I will write 21 plus 4n is equal to 6 plus n square minus n by 2. This 42 plus 8n is equal to 6 plus n square minus n. This is n square minus 9n minus 36 is equals to 0. Now by factorizing this we will get n minus 12 and n plus 3 is equals to 0. Either this is 0 and this is 0, then n is equal to either 12 or minus 3. Number of terms can never be negative, hence this is wrong, this is the answer. Hence 12 is the correct answer. Proceeding to the next question. This is the next question, question number 2. It says in a certain AP, 5 times 5th term is equals to 8 times 8th term. Then its 13th term is 0, minus 1, minus 12 or minus 30. Try the question by pausing the video and check my answers for further verification. I am waiting a few seconds. I am starting with the solution now. It's 5 times the 5th term. What is the 5th term of an AP? A plus 5 minus A is the first term and 5 minus 1 is 4 into D. This is the 5th term and 5 times the 5th term is equals to 8 times the 8th term, which is A plus 7D. Now on solving this, it comes 5a plus 20d is equal to 8a plus 56d. Taking both the terms here, it will be 8a plus 36d is equal to 0, which comes a plus 12d is equal to 0. What is a plus 12d? The 13th term is a plus 12d, which is need to found, and we found it to be 0. Hence the answer is 0. Very easy question. I hope all of you have understand the solution. Proceeding to the next question. This is the next question for you all. It says if 9th term of an AP is 0, the ratio of 29th and 19th term of the AP is option A 1 is to 2, option B 2 is to 1, option C 1 is to 3, option D 3 is to 1. I will wait a few seconds while you pause the video and try the question out and check the answer for verification. If you couldn't solve, check my solution. I am starting with the solution. It's again an easy question. 9th term of an AP is 0. What is the 9th term? A plus 8d is the 9th term, which is equals to 0. Then I will write A is equal to minus 8d, which is the main thing you need to solve the question. 29th term, which it is A plus 28d. We have to find the ratio of 29th term and 19th term. 19th term is A plus 18d. Only one, it's a very easy thing. We are in place of A, we have to write minus 8d plus 28d by minus 8d plus 18d. It comes to be 20d by 10d. On simplifying, it will be 2, which means 2 is to 1. This is the answer and this is the done. Hope you understand the solution. It's again an easy one. Starting with the next question, the 4th one, the last one. This is the last question for today. It says, if the pth, qth and rth term of an AP are A, B, C respectively, find the value of A into Q minus R plus B into R minus P plus C into Q, P minus Q. Options are option A 1, option B minus 1, option C 0, option D 1 by 2. I will wait a few seconds while you try the question and check my answer for verification. If you could not solve, see my solution. It's a very complex type question. It seems to be a very complex question, but it's again a very easy one. We can solve it easily by putting in place of a the value of a, which is, let a be equals to, the first term was a in every question. I took it to be a, but here a is another variable which is already assigned. Hence, in place of a, I will write x. X plus a is the pth term. Then we will write x plus b minus 1, and d has not been assigned, and hence d. b is equal to x plus qth term q minus 1 into d. Similarly, c is equal to x plus r minus 1 into d. Now, in place of this statement, we will put these values. It comes x plus p minus 1 into d whole into q minus r plus x plus q minus 1 into d whole into r minus p, and last thing is x plus r minus 1 into d whole into p minus q. I will solve it in a single step. You may solve it in multiple steps. I will solve it in single step. It's qx, it's dp plus it's dpq, then minus d into q minus gq, then minus rx minus rdp plus rd. Okay, then the next line is rx plus rx. Plus rx and minus rx cancel, then plus rdq, then minus rd. Minus rd plus rd cancels, then it's minus px minus pqd plus pd. Okay. This cancels, and the third term is plus px. It cancels this. Then it's plus pdr. It is pdr plus pdr minus pdr. Then it's minus pd. Minus pd, this cancels. Then it's minus qx. Minus qx cancels with the first term. Then it's minus qrd. qrd is here, it cancels, and then plus qd, it cancels here. Hence, every term of the statement cancels, answer comes 0, which is the final solution. Today I am ending my video here. Thank you.